Saha.
She also had delivered his nice speech elaborately. He has detailed everything before us. We have Sri Taposh Rai, Secretary Social Welfare and Social Education. He also, in his welcome address, as elaborately, he has also mentioned so many things. We have Sri Shamal Prasad Saikia, Chairperson Assam NCPCR, and then Keshan Pradeep Kumar, Chairperson Manipur NCPCR, then Srimati Jayanti Devarma, Chairperson Tripura Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Delegates from northeastern states, officers and staff of TCPCR and Social Welfare and Social Education, and my dear media friends. Respected dignitaries and officials from NCPCR and state NCPCR and esteemed colleagues from the government of Tripura, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the most importantly, the young participants present here today. It is indeed a privilege and honor for me to welcome you all to the Northeastern Regional Convention on Child Rights, particularly the Northeastern officials who have come from the other states of the Northeastern region. Our Honorable Prime Minister already have mentioned this Northeastern region as Ashtalakshmi. So it is our proud privilege, and we are very glad that you have come from all the Northeastern region. And regarding children's, already my previous speaker already have mentioned that what should be our direction and what should be our way of dealing with those children. We know that children's right space within the human rights space domain, and they are not a miniature adult form. They are human beings. So we must protect them, and they were their unique needs of survival. So I think children are our future of our nation, and they are our foundation, if we think in that manner. The way we nurture and protect them today will decide the destiny of tomorrow. Protecting child rights is not merely the duty of governments or institutions alone. It is a collective responsibility of families, communities, and societies at large. I think you know some of the people present over here. In India, children's population may be 30 to 40%. If we neglect children, we will neglect the future of our country. So 1/3 of the population are children. So is there any country who will neglect their future? Do you think so? So we have to address them. We have to care them so that our future will be protected. So all of us of the society, we need to spend more time for the children. If the adults have the adults' right, like social and economical rights, why not the children will have the same? They are not a separate category of human beings. If we spend time for the children, we will build the future of the country. The children are our next generation. We cannot forget about them. 1 in every 5 child in the world is in India. Every day, 63,000 Indian children are born. Every day, 63,000.
শেফদের পছন্দ সিস্টার মশলা, যা মডার্ন টেকনোলজি এবং স্বাস্থ্যসম্মত।
সিস্টার, নিশ্চিন্তের প্রতীক।